How to do heels elevated goblet squat. The heels elevated goblet squat is a variation that increases quad activation and improves squat depth and posture, especially for those with limited ankle mobility. 1. Elevate your heels on a small wedge, weight plates, or squat wedge blocks, 1 to 2 inches high. 2. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly pointed out. 3. Hold a kettlebell or dumbbell, vertically close to your chest with both hands like a goblet. Elbows pointing down. Execution. 1. Engage your core and keep your chest lifted. 2. Lower into a squat by pushing your hips back and bending your knees. 3. Keep the weight balanced over midfoot and knees tracking over your toes. 4. Squat down until your thighs are at, or below parallel, if flexibility allows. 5. Pause briefly at the bottom. 6. Press through your heels and midfoot to stand back up to the starting position. 7. Repeat for the desired number of reps. Tips: keep your back straight. Don't round your spine. Avoid letting your knees collapse inward. Hold the kettlebell close to maintain an upright posture. Please check my next video.